44 candidates have been nominated today. We may add some to it because nominations close on Monday, but for the moment it's 44. Well, we're not particularly keen on getting to 55. I think it's we think that we're fairly comfortable with 44 at the moment, but there are a couple of more applications, so we'll see how they go. And if they're approved, then we probably add them on to the list by Monday. But it's a good mix. It's a good mix of youth and experience and from different segments of the society. I'm comfortable with our candidates. And
what about your manifesto?
We're launching our manifesto on Thursday, a week from today, at the Wesley Church Hall in Butt Street. You'll get an invitation to that too. We're launching our manifesto on that day together with the budget, Labour government budget. We've also prepared a budget, and that both will be launched on Thursday next week. Well, it's a good manifesto, and I think it addresses the problems of the country. It addresses the problems that need to be solved, the economy particularly, the rural sector, welfare, education, medical. It's a pretty comprehensive manifesto, and you will look at it on Thursday.
So how confident are you coming back after missing 2 elections?
Well, I'll give it my best. That's all I can say at the moment. Yeah. Yes, I'd like to urge all the voters to please cast your vote. It's very important that they all vote. This election is very crucial for Fiji's future, and they must do their duty. If they want to change, they must be a part of that change. They must come and participate in the elections, cast their vote, and respect the results of the elections. I think, personally, I feel a change is overdue. I think the nation needs a change of direction, a change of leadership, and needs a government which is clean, competent, and compassionate.
How's the campaign schedule coming along?
Yes, it is busy. And I have to cover the entire nation in the next 4 weeks. So after the launch of the manifesto on Thursday, I'll be basically out on the field.
What parts of the country will you be going?
Well, I'll be here in the Central Division, Western Division, and the Northern Division. Yeah.